Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I unboxed the MoYu Smart Cube, and I'm just going to talk to you real quick about this before we go to doing some solves with it. It's incredible as far as how it moves. This puzzle is like a legit WRM with electronics inside. It's not like a worse version of a speed cube to try to get the electronics. It's a WRM. And we have little holes in the caps for it to charge because it has this little charging base. And I'm wondering if there's a battery in here because it still kind of charges after I unplug it. So I'm going to switch to my other camera setup that's more grainy because it's like a webcam and also streaming the program, and it's recording with OBS, which doesn't seem to record with the highest quality. So I apologize for that, for the worst quality. But I'm going to record two things. One, using QBeast because it already works with QBeast, even though it hasn't been officially sent out yet to stores, but also, or at least wasn't when I'm recording this right here. Also, the app, at least when I'm speaking right now, is not in English. So I got a code to log in that's not as a guest, and I'm going to do my best to explore it with you. So come along and enjoy the fun of me figuring out this puzzle as we go. A couple things about this real quick. This is the MoYu Bluetooth puzzle. They have extra caps, so you don't need to use these ones that have the holes in it for every piece. I'm going to keep it like that because you can charge at any side. But if you want solid colors for all of them, or even all of them when you're not charging it, you can do that. However, delegates, you might want to check to make sure because you can't use these in competitions. And if you're caught using one, if it's on purpose, you might be like banned forever from competing. You can take the center caps off, and there is a tensioning system. You have the blue part again for the spring tension, and it looks like there's a white part here that's not quite a screw. That's almost like a nut that we used to see on a lot of GAN puzzles. And yeah, the electronics are really small inside of there. It's super impressive. So this feels like a WRM. I need to lubricate it, maybe tension it a little bit tighter. Okay, we're all charged up, and love that turning. It's very fast. I need to get some lube in here to slow this thing down. But this will be my first official timed solve with this, so we'll see how it goes. Ah, that was crummy. Yeah, where's my lubrication? I need to slow this thing down. So 60 turns, average CFOP solve, 5 TPS. Not great on that OLL. I got kind of stuck there, but not bad. Sub 12 for my first solve. This feels like a 3x3. This is... When they started making Bluetooth puzzles, I was thinking, you know, at first I was like, oh, it'll be great. You can kind of put things in pieces and the tech there, and it'll be great. Once we got a couple puzzles out, soon realized, you know, the puzzles have to be a little different to make it work because of how much tech needs to be in here. Whoop. There we go. This changes that. You can make a Bluetooth puzzle, apparently, and it works. It really does. That was the last layer skip. Kind of. I influenced the edge orientation. I kind of knew it was going to be an OLL skip, so maybe just PLL skip. Doing like a... I don't know, what's that algorithm called? Help me out, people. It was a 35 move solution. Oh, jeez. Okay. Ooh. Got this working. What does any of this mean? I don't know. I'm guessing this is saying that it couldn't find someone to battle against. That's my guess. This might be local. Yeah, I'm guessing it's local. So you type in like a passcode and they can follow that. Let's do normal timing. Okay. Wait, why is F B? Okay, so this is F now. Yeah, everything's backwards. There might be there's probably a way of changing that. I didn't know what to click at the beginning. Blue cross looks pretty good. Okay, so let's see if there's stats we can look at. 20, 40, 60, 80. Don't really know what that means. I'd pause on that last part. So just do another one. Yeah, right now it's set with blue in front, yellow on top. See how we can adjust that. Ooh, Rue looks pretty nice. Let's do a bit of Rue. Yeah, that was pretty good. Stats. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Okay, cool.